Hi guys! So I'm finally going to draw the winner of the I'm Famous video giveaway, which was a little mystery pack. Okay, so firstly, oh my gosh, you guys, all your comments that you left are telling me about your claim to fame. It was so fun. I loved reading them. There were some really funny ones. And yeah, it was great fun. I'm sorry it's taken so long to draw this, by the way. It was like, I think mid-September. It's been a month or something. Maybe a little longer. So, okay. I'm going to put in the URL, and I'm just using the YouTube random comment picker. And click. Okay. And start. Tick, 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 tick. And the winner is... Oh, Kat! Yay, Kat! Actually, Kat lives up the road to me, and she was the very first person that I met off YouTube or Facebook or, social media. And, Kat, I'm so glad you won. I can't remember what your claim to fame was, but I will go back and have a look now because there were so many comments and I was laughing. Oh, actually, I think you had a sporty claim to fame. Let's just go have a little peepee. Kat, let's go back and see what yours was. Where are you? Honestly, this was so funny. I loved reading all of these. Kat, here you are. Okay. Your claim to fame was that you were in a choir called the Renee Singers in Tasmania. And you sang in the Sydney of Stedford when you were about 11. This was a double claim to fame. She says, my uncle is a coach driver on the Central Coast and he drove us all the way from Melbourne to Sydney. My sister and I were pretty chuffed at being the nieces of the bus driver. That's funny. Yeah, when you're little kids and you go on a school excursion, the bus driver's always the cool guy, isn't he? You won a section or two, I think it was a while ago. Another time we did a similar trip and went in the Australian championships in Wagga Wagga. But that was much stiffer competition. You came about third. That's right. I remember the bus driver one now. So, Chris, Kat, you're famous. And I will arrange with you I'll drop your little package off, actually, since you're just up the road from me. I don't know what it is yet. And I will do that soon. I've been so slack with prizes. I've only just sent out this week the previous giveaways. So I'm so sorry. I'm terrible with that. I've been so good with my Etsy, but so bad with Happy Mail and stuff like that. But I'll get that out to you next week, Kat. And thank you everyone for telling me your stories. That was so fun. I loved it. I really want to do something like that again when I get back in my craft room. That's it, and thanks for watching. Bye.